Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to read the dataset in Jupyter Notebook using the Pandas. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try to open the Jupyter Notebook, and here we'll try to read the dataset using the Pandas. Okay, so we all know that Pandas is one of the most important library package in Python, which is basically used for the data pre-processing, data exploring, data manipulation, and analyzing the data. Okay, so first what you can do is like you have to upload the dataset which you want to read. So here this is the dataset which I want to read, so the breast cancer dataset. So I have already uploaded this particular dataset. If you have not uploaded, you can just click on this particular option, and here you can select this particular dataset, then you can click on this particular open option. Okay, so since I have already uploaded this particular dataset, now let's try to read the dataset. Okay, so for that what you can do is like first you need to import Pandas as PD. So Pandas is basically used for the data pre-processing. So now here I will try to give some name. So what I will give is like I will just try to give it as data is equal to PD dot read underscore CSV. Okay, and here open the bracket and open the parenthesis, and here you have to give the name of the data set which you want to read. Okay, so this is the data set which I want to read. So I will just copy this name of this particular data set, and here I will try to paste it. Since this is the CSV file, I will try to give it as a breast-cancer.csv and close the parenthesis and close the bracket. And now you can run this particular cell. Okay, so now I want to explore the data set. So what you can do is like data dot head, and I want to see the first 25 rows of the data set. Okay, suppose if you want more than 25, you can just specify the number of the rows which you want to explore it. So I will just give 25. So since I want to explore the first 25 rows of the data set. Okay, so now I will run this particular cell. So here you can see like we saw how to read the data set, and this is the data set which has rows and columns. So this is the rows and this is the column ID, diagnosis, radius, mean, texture, mean, and all. Okay, so this is how you can read the data set in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.